Chris.
Me and Dad found a cocksucking bird. It was sleeping right on the cattail. Right in the mosquitoes.
Throw weed on it and it pops his head up.
Yeah, it was curled up in a ball.
Good balance, but how did he get there? It doesn't look like he's big enough to fly.
I don't know.
What
You
kind
said
of-
it wasn't a bird. It's a bird.
What kind of bird is it though?
The bird kind of can fly.
I don't think that one can fly yet.
It will be though.
Let's just leave the little guy alone.
Okay, bye-bye bird.
Bye, bird.
Find us next week on Lucy'sTheBestDogInTheWord.com. Cool.
How'd you even